Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to show your dog who is boss. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to show your dog who is boss is wiki.whobph.com. See the page titled How to Get Your Dog to Stop Peeing All Over the House. Here's the link. You can also try www.cnn.com, especially the page CNN Video, breaking news videos from cnn.com. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.huffingtonpost.com. The web page How to Get Promoted, Advice from Real Bosses Le Renviest. This is the link.